Hey, yeah. Going to the water zoo.
You have to look here.
I am looking there.
I'm not.
Are you vlogging?
I am vlogging.
Is this a vlog?
So we're going to the Mystic Zoo. I mean, the water zoo.
Yep.
I mean, and we're gonna go to the library and pick up a coupon.
With Coopin?
With coupon, and see if that still is a thing like it was years ago.
We're gonna see if the librarian has a coupon. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Student drive.
People can see us.
Worst nightmare. There's evil
We're here. So epic fail.
The library's not open on Monday.
The library has the keys to the Mondays. We're almost there. What bridge did we go over?
I don't know.
Some bridge. I think it was the Connecticut River.
It was a bridge.
And it was
water.
over her water.
Yes.
Oh, how beautiful.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe. But it's not
There you go.
real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in your way. And so
Good morning, my name is Dave. If you have any questions, I'm in the Water Green area near the Arctic Coast.
Would you look at that?
Would you look at it?
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
I love the penguins. Oh, they're awfully cute. Hello.
Hello. Bonjour. Things like that.
Yeah, we're not doing the bird exhibit. The enclosed bird exhibit. You're paying $3 to just get pooped on. Right?
Yeah, I'm good. Highly deadly black tarantula. It's over there.
Highly deadly black tarantula.
Croaky. There's a big one over there.
At the aquarium, or any aquarium for that matter, we use a 2-finger touch here. We wait until the sharks swim. Also, we don't splash or move the water because that will scare them and move them away.
You're brave.
I'm gonna try it. It's so cool. He's coming to see it.
Is he a puffer? Wow. Where's the squid?
right there.
Whoa! Oh, look at it on camera.
Dude, look at that.
Would you just look at that? Look at it.
Went over and tried to breathing. That's him.
Right there.
Look at him.
See his mouth?
Yep.
Oh, he's like one of, yeah.
Spinning around. He's throwing his.
He's like a fisher.
Yeah, he is. He's fishing.
They're called lure fish, I think. Well, this one's called the frog fish. Ew.
Crab Nation.
Under the sea, under the sea.
Looks like Halloween.
It does.
God, that's like crystal clear. That looks like a screensaver to like your laptop. Here's a YouTube channel, babe, of the fish. You know, that we put on at nighttime sometimes. Holy Nemos.
Dangerous, terrible jungle. Oh, crikey.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're vlogging each other, vlogging. It's Inception again.
Everything.
Why is there nobody in here?
I don't know, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, but maybe one of these things ate all the other people that were in here.
What's he's up to?
He's just crawling along, being a lizard.
Go to the light.
Don't go in the light, buddy.
Marianne, come down to that.
Oh, there he is.
He's pooped. This is like a...
What a big, huge direct.
There's something coming.
Are these alligators or crocodiles?
They're alligators.
American alligator. Yeah, I'm all set with the alligators.
On the top.
Wow. Oh, he jumped. See him go up? Oh, I like that
Oh,
one.
there's tons of them. Look at this tiny guy.
Whoa. They look like toys. Don't they look like what you get in a Happy Meal? So that was the aquarium.
Now we're going to Old Mystic Village. Oh yeah, she fell through the roof. Forget it.
Went in the car, cool off. Saw the critters. Did Alice in the Village. Who's your favorite? So now we're on the hunt for the greatest lobster roll on the Connecticut shoreline. Captain Scott's.
Your destination is on the left.
How is it?
Lobster dock for the win.
We were so hungry we forgot to start vlogging it before we ate it. Yeah, we're here.
Ham and acid.
We are having this. So we get in for free because it's, what are they called?
Passport to the parks. I don't know if they're even charging after a certain hour. We're in Meg's Beach.
Meg's.
Ham and acid. Hey, Meg.
I think it's Meg's.
Yeah, whatever. Shut up, Meg.
Shut up, Meg.
What do you think, dear?
So
He's gonna vlog you. Oh, are you taking a picture?
no, it's gonna be our
Yeah.
thumbnail thing.
Medium.
Took your glasses off.
Happy birthday.
And back to Snow White.
Checking out for today. Good day. Here we go.
Mystic Aquarium, Ham and Acid, lobster rolls at Captain Scott's Lobster Dock. And yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.